Hello everyone, my name is Roble Kiran Ashok from Nagar. Today's date is 27 September 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is a constructor in Java. So we have discussed about the constructor in Java. So what is the constructor in Java? So constructor is defined as the constructor is a block of code as the same as like a method. Constructor name is the same as constructor name is the same as that the class name. So we have created the class. Suppose class name is a test, and then we are creating the by default we are creating the constructor name is a test. So it is the class name is the same as the constructor name. So we have what is the use of constructor? So constructor we can use the initialize the objects in your body. So it is the constructor. So there are we are creating the objects we are creating the objects from using the new keywords at every time, and this constructor is in use. So next upon there are various two types of constructor we are using the in Java. First of all, default constructor, and second upon parameterized constructors. So default constructor, it means we can use the no any parameters are passing to the passing to the constructor. So it is known as the default constructor. So default constructor we can use the default constructor in Java because of we are not any parameter we are passing, not any parameter passing from the here. So compiler is automatically to join the start before the constructor are written because of it is a default constructor. So default constructor, it means we cannot any value passing from there. So we have take the example about the default constructor. So first of all, we have creating the class name is a student, and then student and then we are putting the int I is equal to int id is equal to suppose int id is equal id semicolon close. It is initialization of the id variables, and then second upon string name is string name in semicolon close. And then we are creating the main methods, and we have called the objects from student s1 is equal to new students. And then sop is the student SOP is the student name is a suppose name is Kiran. So we have output is provided to the name is Kiran. So we can use the default constructor by using the constructor in Java. And then second upon the parameterized constructor. So parameterized constructor, it means we can use the parameterized constructors. We are having the any value passing from the here. So we can use the parameterized constructor. So we are creating the class name is a student, and we have initialize the variable. So int id is equal to suppose say int id is equal to 11 semicolon close, and string name string student name is equal to string name is a Kiran semicolon close. And then we have creating the constructor and the two parameterized constructor, and we are passing the from the. And then SOP is int id SOP id id plus space name student name. So we have creating the main methods in Java, and we have called the objects like the student s1 is equal to new student, and s1 is equal to new student, and we have called the objects from the s1 dot display and s2 dot display. So we have output the provided output to the student name id is 11 and student name is Kiran. So it is a use of we can use the parameterized constructor. And then say third upon copying constructor. So copying constructor, it means we can use the clone methods, and we are using the clone methods to copy constructor. Copy constructor is not using the Java, but we can use the copy constructor. It means we have the same constructor name as a class name. And then next upon to using the construct by using the constructor, uh, by using the overloading by using the overloading in constructor. Overloading, it means we can use the same name and same class name for different arguments. We can use the methods overloading, and we can use the constructor. So we have created the class name is a student, and then we are passing the parameters like student int id is equal to 11, and student yes name is string name is equal to suppose Bharat, and in semicolon close. And then we are creating the constructor, parameterized constructor int sop int I sop int I id is id and student name. And then next upon we are creating the constructor, parameterized constructor, and which we are creating the main methods, and we are called the objects student s1, student s1 is equal to new student s1 new student. So and then call the objects from student s1 is s1 dot s1 dot student name is student id is a 10, and student name is a Bharat. So we have and then we are providing the output with the student name is student id is 10, and student name is a Bharat. So it is the it is a overloading constructor. You know, we are using the constructor in Java. So there are various types of constructor, and what is the constructor we can see in this video. Thank you so much.